Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. I'm Master Gardener Steve, and this is our Ground Up series where we unearth hidden layers that keep your garden thriving. Today we're leaving the soil and mulch behind to explore the unsung hero of your garden's ecosystem, the air layer. It's the invisible area where nature's magic happens, and we're here to pull back the curtain. You might be thinking, air layer, isn't that just air? Well, yes, but it's so much more. This layer is bursting with life, energy, and activity. Think of it as Wi-Fi for your garden, completely invisible, but absolutely essential. So let's start with the basics. Gas exchange. Those tiny stomata on the surface of leaves, think of them as microscopic mouths. They're constantly opening and closing, exhaling oxygen and inhaling carbon dioxide. Without this process, photosynthesis, the lifeblood of every plant, simply wouldn't happen. Then there's water vapor, nature's very own cooling and hydration system. Plants release moisture into the air, a process called transpiration, which helps regulate temperature and humidity. It's like your garden's built-in climate control. But here's the thing, the air layer doesn't work alone. It's in a constant dance with the soil and surface layers below. The soil feeds the roots, the mulch retains the moisture, and the air layer ensures proper circulation. It's a symphony and every instrument needs to play its part. So how can you support the air layer? What can you do? The first is start by improving airflow. Trim and prune dense plants to prevent overcrowding, position hedges to block harsh winds, and give your garden room to breathe. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a balanced ecosystem. And let's talk about hydration. Water wisely, aiming for the soil, not the leaves, to reduce evaporation. Proper watering supports both the roots below and the air above by keeping humidity levels in check. Supporting the air layer also means welcoming pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and birds all rely on a healthy air layer for their daily commute. Think of them as your garden's tiny air traffic controllers, keeping everything running smoothly. When you nurture the air layer, you're doing more than just gardening. You're creating a living, breathing ecosystem where every element, from soil to sky, works in harmony. So next time you step into your garden, take a moment to appreciate the air around you, not just for what you breathe, but what it does for your plants. It's the invisible life force you never knew you couldn't live without. Join us next time as we dig even deeper into the layers of your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow gardeners. Together we'll grow from the ground up.